Mark, so this storm's still not done with us yet.
Yeah, it's not. And you'd be making a serious mistake underestimating the last part of this storm because it is going to bring some more rain and snow. But this is my favorite shot that we saw.
Mine too. I love this photo.
All day. This is really cool. I don't know which is more amusing, the fact that they have an avalanche dog in Angel Fire or the fact that Hawk is training them here in the snow. Isn't that a cool shot?
Yeah, it is.
Great stuff.
I mean, Jim Merritt took that shot. It's really, really well done. So we see a lot of pictures come through here. Most of them don't look like that, so that's really impressive. Thanks for sending that in. And Angel Fire and a lot of other places have a lot of snow. Now, we'll talk about that in a moment. But one thing that's kind of interesting here, by the way, guys, I don't know if you know this. You're here to West Los Alamos. It's a suburb of Los Alamos.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they got 10 inches of snow.
Look at that.
Yes, and actually, I got to be honest with you. Chama didn't get 17 inches of snow. They got 7.
I was gonna
But Pajarito, they got 7 too. I don't really
where
know
were
what
these
happened.
numbers coming from?
I don't know what happened here.
I was getting
Someone padding the
excited. I
stats?
thought
You know
there
what
was.
could happen? This could be just wishful thinking, or I
Okay.
could be looking ahead and not even realize it.
Yeah.
So who knows? Tomorrow morning, you get up in Pajarito, you're like, hey, we got a fresh foot of snow. This is working out great. Angel Fire got 6 inches. That number's right, and Taos is right. I apologize for these two numbers here, but numbers for now, anyway. Los Alamos are outside Los Alamos 10 inches and about 7 inches in Pajarito and Chama. Let's see how we do tonight and into tomorrow. Now, here's what's really impressive. With a winter storm ending up with 1.25 inches of rain in Glenwood, Gallup 0.83, Farmington, who's been missed all winter, 3/4 of an inch of rain, Silver City 3/4 of an inch of rain, and Reserve almost 3/4 of an inch of rain. And remember, when we usually get these snowstorms and we talk about snow ratios of 20 to 1, that would produce a tremendous amount of snow. And so if we were to have gotten really cold air with this too, this would have been an unbelievable storm, but it's still been very, very good and very wet still across west central sections of the state. Now we're starting to see those showers break out, east central sections and south central sections. And we will see increasing chances of rain and snow throughout the night tonight in the Albuquerque metro area. I think our bullseye time is from around 3 a.m. till around noon tomorrow for some more snow. And we are seeing more snow develop over the northern mountains as well, even though we saw a little break there. And down into south central sections, we are picking up some rain showers down there. We do still have the winter storm warnings for the high terrain. The problem is we're going to get more warm air in here during the day tomorrow. So you're going to want to go up above about 8,000 feet if you want to see more significant snow. Otherwise, we're going to mix snow in even here in the metro area, but we end up too warm to see a lot of accumulation. And that's exactly what happened today. We're at 37 degrees right now. Temperatures in the 20s and 30s off to the north, down to the south, 20s, 30s, and 40s. Looking at satellite and radar, the storm we're watching is right here over Southern California and western Arizona. Now, the interesting thing about this is it's really just developing more of a flow pattern than anything else, and that flow is wet as it pushes over New Mexico. So throughout the night, we'll continue with that shot of showers, and that does last into tomorrow. And it does look like we may drag a little weather disturbance into the middle of this tomorrow, too, and that could help. But the snow line is what's problematic for Albuquerque if you want to see snow. Throughout the overnight hours, our low is going to be around 34 degrees. So anything that falls here will have a very difficult time accumulating. So we may well see it fall as snow, but then it will melt as it hits the ground. Now, as you go up above 7,500 feet, 2 to 6 additional inches of snow will be a possibility. Then throughout the day tomorrow, we'll continue to warm at the surface. So there's no shot at getting snow in the metro area tomorrow of any significance. You're going to have to go above 8,000 feet to see the snow. And then if you really want significant snow above about 11,000 feet would be a better move if you really want to see the accumulating stuff. So let's get across the area here and go to your targets here. Most of the low terrain snow is over across the west, but you're likely to see some more showers and 2 to 4 inches of additional snow over the high terrain. Meanwhile, here in central sections, rain and snow mix for Albuquerque and Santa Fe, especially Santa Fe could pick up some additional snow here. A little new snow, though, here in the city because the rain's going to mix in and will be too warm. But we will see the possibility of more snow over the higher Sangre de Cristo and, of course, across the Sacramento Mountains as we head into tomorrow. Cold air is easier to find across the east side of the state, so a few more inches will be possible there and an additional 2 to 4 possible along those east slopes of our central mountain chains. But the overall trend is for a very active early portion of tomorrow, and then things start to die down, and then as you can see into Sunday, even quieter, and we do get half the weekend with some sunshine, and we will have earned it. Let's go region by region. Southern Colorado, rain and snow mix. Temperatures for the most part, 30s and 40s over to the northwest. After a wet day today, the continuing chance for showers is there. Same deal with the southwest. You guys could end up over 1.5 inches. There could be some isolated spots around Glenwood that get 2 inches of rain total out of the storm. 46 in Roswell, 50 in Artesia, 51 in Carlsbad. Low elevation mixes overnight, and then we'll go over to some rain showers. And we're going to see some snow showers possible in the northeast tomorrow. Northern mountains, again, some heavy snow will be possible, especially during the morning hours tomorrow, and then things will quiet down. East mountains above 7,500 feet. You're going to get a chance at some more snow here through the early portion of tomorrow. And here in the metro, you may well be watching snow, but I don't think you're going to be watching it accumulate on the ground. But hey, any moisture is good moisture, and then things quiet down Sunday into Monday. If you want to talk more on Twitter, happy to do that at KRQE Mark.
And who doesn't?
Yeah.
Everybody.
All right, thank you, Mark.